Did you know that the European Union requires member states to develop programs that encourage energy saving in SMEs? However, the acceptance of energy audits and the application of energy conservation measures among SMEs has been low to date. Obstacles are caused by lack of experience in energy audits and lack of resources. In addition, there is an inability to act due to the lack of control over services used in the building, the unwillingness of the owners to act, and difficulties in accessing financing. The SPEEDIER project addresses these problems by providing SMEs with an outsourced and self-financed energy management service. By outsourcing energy management to SPEEDIER, SMEs can access expertise when they need it, contributing to more acceptance of audits and the application of energy efficiency measures. SPEEDIER has organized 2 online trainings providing the guidelines for the SPEEDIER self-financing mechanism. The topics covered were how to build an energy culture and new approaches for overcoming the financial hurdles of energy audits. In addition, the tool and app developed by the project were shared, as well as financing options for Ireland, Spain, Italy, and Romania, and examples of successful pilot cases. More than 80 attendees and 20 speakers from all over Europe participated in the events to receive SPEEDIER training. Visit the project website to access the materials in different languages, and you can also access the recordings of the event. A new approach to selling energy audits to SMEs.